Happy Saturday, everybody. Out early on a 5-mile hike. Got to beat the heat today. It's going to be a 102 in SoCal. But as you can see, the sky is beautiful. It's gorgeous out here. It's a glorious day. Hope you all are enjoying it. Hope you have a great weekend. Just unwinding after a long, busy week. It was a great week though. A lot of growing, a lot of successes, a lot of wins. So it's been good. Now I'm enjoying some time in nature. Just soaking it all in. Absorbing the beauty all around. Why don't you guys check it out?